I have an appointment with Masuma. We're going to Oman Mall for a bit to shop.
All right, just be careful with Abd. If he gets tired, bring him back quickly.
Okay, bye.
Lord, let it be good.
Are you ready to try something new? God willing. For us, it's just a sound, but to him it's an attack. Layla, we need to go somewhere more peaceful. Calm down, darling. We're here. See? He calmed down. Abd is sensitive to sound. He doesn't just hear sound, he feels it with his whole body. Before you go in, prepare him, tell him where you're going, keep the time short, and know a quiet place beforehand. And if it becomes too much pressure for him, change the place quickly. Okay, what should we do next? Come on. Let's go for a little walk. I didn't expect today to end this way before. I thought we had to go back home quickly, but now it's like he's even happy. Because you made the situation tolerable for him.